I'm cleaning the basement and being very on brand.
Super bad at taking before and after photos. So I'm gonna do a video of me trying not to die in this basement before we clean it out. Because there's just a hole. There used to be a door there. I don't know where it went, but there used to be a door there. This is a trash fire. 2 hours of work. We still need to vacuum and sweep the floor, but the ceiling is spider-proof. Everything is out. The washing machines are out. This is still a nightmare. The moon is out. It's nighttime, and I'm gonna go in the basement and sweep, because that makes sense to me. But hello, moon. Hey, morning.
So my boyfriend is right, and he was like, you can't give people crap for not wearing a mask in public if you won't wear a mask while sweeping up the basement, which may or may not have asbestos or construction dust or whatever. And so this is the mask that I'm wearing to clean up the basement, which doesn't feel like overkill at all and doesn't feel post-apocalyptic at all. It's fine and normal, and I'm sure I don't sound like Darth Vader on this at all. Why would you think that? But, yeah, I should still be able to breathe tomorrow. I'm also pretty sure if I wore this to the grocery store in Sweden, everyone would think that, like, I'm either a terrorist or I have all of the COVID. Which I've been social distancing since March 10th. So, yeah, no, I'm well past the window of if I had caught it when I was in public.